Thutha wa maritwa ma athaki aria mekurugamirira bururi mbitikaine cia AFCON kurekererio muthenya wa ira, riu macambiki na endia kabira ni mambitie kuruta maoni ngurani. Captain wa tene wa Harambee Stars na uria wari na timu ya bururi AFCON mwaka wa 2004 niugite ati mwaka uyu ari na mwihoko na imwana ici ni cikuruta maumirira ma gucanjamura.
I can say that compared to whatever we had in 2004 and now, things have changed scientifically wise too, the coaching wise, because the challenge which we found as a team in 2004, we went to play with these big guns. We didn't even know them as a unit. We didn't even know the way they are playing or whatever they were doing. But at the moment, you can say that everything is okay. They can go to YouTube and find the other teams which are playing, which is a plus.
Musa augite kuongerereka kwa namba ya athaki aria mathakagira nja wa bururi ni meguteithiriria hanene hari mbitika cia mwaka uyu, akiuga hindi ya gutiari na athaki aingi mathakaga nja.
If you can have 11 players, professional players, or even 15, it is a plus to the nation because it tells you that we are doing the right thing, and for them to come in and support the national team because they're acquiring training from different coaches outside. They're bringing their expertise wherever they are, because if you look at a player like Mugobi, he's playing in Tottenham, he's having one of the best coach in the world.
Gukiriguo captain uyu wa tene ni ugite athaki ni mabatie kurihwo wega, akiuga athaki aingi ni macokete guthie nja wa bururi wetha kuri na besha.
I think it's just a corporate. From here, I'll just believe with the corporates to come and support the league, to come and give motivation to the players, because you find that with the preparation, everything starts with the preparation, because when the boys are playing, they depend on football. And once they retire, there's so many few players who can come in and say that this is what they have achieved in football.
Stars maracoka mbitikaine ici cia AFCON thutha wa guikara nja gwa kahinda ka miaka 15. Kameme TV haro-ini njitagwo Kuria wa Gicimu.